campsite on 105. We got the camping caboose in tow. The amigos are in the Jeep. We're loaded down, ready to go. So stick around. Have a good time with us. Got off the pavement onto some dirt now on 105, hoping to get up to this campsite that we marked last fall. Hopefully it's open. So we're going to make our way up there and washed out a lot more than last time. Anyway, we're trying to get up to a campsite, see if we can get set up for the day.
Yep.
Well, we made it to Linville Caverns. We're gonna go check out the caves. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Let's do this.
So this big track runs through the length of our caverns. This is actually a fault line. Obviously this is not an active fault line or we wouldn't be down here right now, but it is a good example of how water originally made.
Pretty cool. Well, just got back from the caverns. Boys had a good time. Now it is lunchtime, so we're going to have some lunch. And we'll probably hit the road a little bit, check out some of the sights, maybe do a little hiking. So stick around. So we are at camp, kind of just chilling out for the afternoon. We actually have a spot right over there that we're looking at, but we're waiting for some folks to leave maybe a little later, and we may pack things up and move over there and get a good mountain view for the evening. But for the meantime, we're just hanging out, sawing and chopping and carving. What was that?
That I made, like, this wasn't like this, but I used this pocket knife and fiddled it all the way down to make it pointy on both sides.
You made it dangerous on both. What'd you say?
And I also got a shank now.
A shank.
Yeah,
You know what a shank is?
pointy.
So after a day of cave hiking and learning how to carve wood and learning how to play rock pitch and setting up camp, we've decided we are going to stay here, so it's time for dinner. So what are we having, Ty?
Got some chips, Pringles, salt and vinegar,
Nutrition.
Germex.
Of course.
We got the burger buns, some mayonnaise, some ketchup, paper towels, sharp knife, onions, Colby back cheese slices. Got some Ovrlnd beef patties. Tavern.
Yep.
And then we got some Simply pickles.
Yep. It's going to be good, right?
Having some cheeseburgers and pickles.
All right, let's get it started.
Chips. Gotta go out looking for some sticks. The good thing about, like, right here, there's just this random trail that's here, and we can just walk through this trail and find some sticks for the fire. There's some sticks. Hard. It's beautiful. Some random trail. Walking back to camp, just left Cashy in there. I'm such a great brother. He's gonna get all the wood while I come and keep vlogging. How's the patties going?
About 10 minutes. What do you think?
Looking good.
Getting hungry?
Back. Didn't get attacked by a snake. And he is building this, what's it called again?
Cabin.
Cabin fire. I got it. Cabin fire. Put the logs like over and under each other. Put all like trash and cardboard and paper in the middle. Light the middle on fire, or you put sticks on top. Light it on fire, and then got a good fire going. Got this huge mountain of wood right here. We are about to light this fire. We will start videoing again as soon as we do. See ya. Big Mac. Put like a large more
Big Mac.
and double or big marshmallow.
Big
Put a
Mac's
burger on a s'more.
Sunrise behind me. Had a good night's sleep in the tent. The boys are still asleep in the Jeep. They've got their air mattress in there, so they're still having their good night's sleep. But I got up this morning, I got up my fire going. I got some coffee on, of course. So this morning we're just going to get up and have a nice breakfast, get things packed up, probably head home. Bud. Had you sleep? Too short, woke you up too early. Nice, sleep good. Okay, well, we are packed up. So you can't, there we go. Now you can see me. So we are all packed up. Camp's clean. left it better than we found it, so we're gonna pack up and hit the road.
Final word. See ya!
Made it home. We're gonna wrap this trip up, but we are. Did you have a good time?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have a good time? Yes, I did too. Good trip. We're gonna get everything cleaned up, and then in about 4 weeks, we're gonna gear up again and go on a 4-day trip to Rouse Creek, Pennsylvania. We've got a group going. It's gonna be an awesome trip. So we'll see you then.
Yep.